Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrency chart we haven't covered in a while, and it's the QNT chart, Quant. We want to take a look at what the upside targets are in a possible altcoin season. Let's go. Okay, we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find a link for this website in the video description if you're interested to sign up and register for free. Then if you do so, you can get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates completely for free every single day. Today, we want to take a look at the QNT Quant chart, a chart that hasn't really moved much in recent months. Actually in the last year or two, it hasn't really given us a lot of exciting movements here. But QNT was rallying before, so there's a good chance that it will do so again, but it hasn't probably started. But the reason for this video is because we have possible 1-2-1-2 setup on the smaller time frame, which is quite bullish, but we want to talk about that in this video. So let's take a look at the long-term chart first. This is a long-term chart. Here you can see that we could have started a larger degree third wave to the upside, as many other altcoins have as well. At least it is a potential. There's an invalidation point at around $56 down here, and any break below it, I mean, it will, let's say, invalidate this scenario and this potential for a third wave rally. So this level must hold. There's no wiggle room. This level needs to hold. Now, to the upside, there are a few key levels that need to be broken in order to, confirm that a larger degree third wave has started. And well, one of those key levels is the $487 level. It's the previous wave one high, and this would unlock prices in the region of $833 plus. Now, this is the key target, the first ideal target for this larger degree third wave. I mean, higher prices into the $1,000 range are possible, but let's keep it, sort of muted a little bit, because we first need to break above that $487 level. I'm sure a lot of people would be happy if we get there. Let me know in the comments if you'd be happy if the price gets there. I'm sure you are, because any break above it is just, it's just a bonus. It's great. This would be all-time high territory already. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame, and here you can see that a larger degree wave 2 likely bottomed around August time. And this is highlighted here in magenta. Magenta wave 3 could be unfolding right now. And yeah, it is just important to understand that we are dealing here with a so-called possible 1-2-1-2 setup. Now, that is a bullish interpretation. Obviously here the price must hold above the red line, because if not, then this orange wave 2 is going to be invalidated. That's the invalidation point, but we're very, very close to invalidation. So typically at these pivots, the market needs to make a decision. You have an upside breakout point around $78 here, which is the wave 1 high, which formed in September. The problem with these 1-2-1-2 setups, because the second wave 1 is quite long, it also has a bit of a 3-wave structure. So that's the reason why, 3-wave move up means possibly just a corrective rally. We break down again. Now that's why we haven't added a trading area here. We haven't added a support area. So we have just added the red line for invalidation. You can of course use this for trading, but it is not a setup we would highlight here specifically. There's a potential for it, but we want to see a little bit more evidence, like a break above that wave 1 high and then a bit of upside momentum that shows that the bulls are actually motivated to drive the price higher in this third wave and then above $150, going forward. So again, in summary, we have a 1-2-1-2 setup on the smaller time frame chart that is potentially bullish, because you get this series of a third wave, a fourth wave, a fifth wave, of a larger third wave, another 4 and 5, which we haven't sketched on this chart, but it is still a bullish scenario, but only as long as the price holds above the invalidation point, because below that it becomes clear it's only a 3-wave rally, and the 3-wave rally isn't bullish. So the potential is there in both ways at the moment. Important is to watch the key levels, and do the bulls turn up before we get invalidation? That's really the main question. That's what we need to be watching for. So there is potential. There is pre-US election indecision, so that all comes into play here. A lot of the cryptos are at key pivots, and we might not see much action until really we have an election result. So that's just my view, but I'll keep you updated. So I hope you liked the update about QNT. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Also make sure that you register on our website completely for free, and let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or stocks you want me to cover going forward. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.